In a simple, easy, cost-effective way, you can set up your business in US even if you're a non-resident. That is, you don't have any physical presence in US and you want to do business in US. How you can do that in today's video you'll get to see. It's a 10-step process. So typically you need to have a business plan. It is not a mandatory thing. Many companies they come up with business plan once they launch their business, but as a good standard practice, having a business plan will ensure that you have set out to win right from the start. I made a separate video on how to make a business plan, and step 2 to 10 you will get to see in today's video how this can be done.
Before we get into the video, I'd like to mention that I've partnered with products and service provider to bring you tools and resources that can help you achieve your goal in this video. The link in the description is an affiliate link, and by using it, you will be supporting this channel at no additional cost to you. This helps me continuing creating valuable content for you.
By clicking that link, you'll come to this website and you'll get to see all the benefits what I'm showing. You'll be able to get using this link. So make sure you're using the link to come to this website and then incorporate now. Once you click here, start your business with confidence. So here you choose the entity type. If you're outside of US, you choose LLC, and the state, you can choose any state, but most of the people either go for Wyoming or New Mexico. So we will choose Wyoming for this video. So once you choose Wyoming, you get this business formation package. Here you see there are 3 different packages: basic, standard and premium. In basic, the company charges no service fee. You just pay this 104 state fee, and in standard you pay company $199 in addition to the state fee. In premium, $299 in addition to the state fee. And whatever you choose, you get to see the order summary on this right hand corner, and it shows one-time fee, unlike other companies where there is annual charges. Now, there are few things when you're starting your business, like getting an EIN, business tax number. When you're not in US, if you're in US, it's almost straightforward. You set up your company, you call up IRS, and over phone you can get this. Now, when you're away, you can still do that, but then it's a lot of effort, and sometimes people get frustrated and just keep waiting to get EIN number, which is a requirement for you to do any business transaction, any monetary transaction. In addition to that, you get this operating agreement, which again you need. And once we come down, this IRS form 2553, again you get a hand holding with even this. So highly recommended, go with either a standard or premium. So once you choose the selection, for example, I have selected standard, you click get started. As I said, you will get to see the order summary here as we proceed. And now coming to the LLC name, you have this designator. From this, you can choose any one. I'll just go with what is shown here, LLC. And for the name, try to keep the name in English and not in any foreign language. So my company is going to be called Cypher 40 LLC. This is how the name will appear in the company's official display. And are you registering an entity containing a word or word in any form of foreign language? In my case, it is no. So once you do that, you click next. So state filing time, here it says it's 3 weeks. If you are in a hurry, you would select this 2 business day filing time. I'll select this. When you're starting a business, you want to be up and running as quickly as possible, not wait for this, delay, and then go ahead. So once this is selected, click next. On this page, you enter your first name, last name, email address, and the phone number. As you can see, I'm in Canada, so the phone number what I'm giving here is of Canada, and then I'm consenting to receive SMS, text message, and phone call from. So once this is selected, click next. Company address information. So here you come down. This own address will not be applicable if you're outside of US and not in the same geography. So you need a physical street address. The PO boxes are not acceptable. In that case, you'll have to go with this option where you get this address and suite number will get assigned after you do the payment. So you can go through this. These are additional $29 per month and you can cancel anytime. So I'm keeping as it is. And then once we come down, contact address. So here the contact address will be of your home country. In my case, I'm in Canada, so I'm giving the contact address of Canada, street address, city, state, and zip code. So once this is entered, click next. On this page, this is up to you if you want to go for a premium package. I don't want any of these, be it business contract template, domain name, and business email ID. So I will skip this. No thanks. I will pass on this opportunity. And then here for this company, Cypher 40 LLC, number of member / owners. Here I'm selecting 1. It's a single person company. And you see here, once we come down, member individual, selecting this and then selecting this name part like this. So it will appear here. Once we come down, click next. Registered agent information. Here you need a registered agent who will receive and forward important legal and tax correspondence on behalf of the company. So since you're not going to be in US, you would need one. Now good part is that this company is offering this for free for the first 1 year, which is valued at $119. So I will keep as it is, then come down and click next. Again, this is important section, EIN or tax identification number for the company. So I am a foreign individual and do not have social security number. Click yes. And then here you have to confirm I agree. As you are not a US citizen and you have not been issued with social security number, you will have to prepare SS4 application. Don't worry about that. You will get all the hand holding in terms of filling up this application, and that's why these services are. And then you do your digital signature prior to being delivered to IRS. So all this information will be given to you. So once you agree, and then I'm selecting the name as it is. Once I click here, the name appears as it is here. Then come down. For the IRS, they require a physical address. Here you're seeing two options. One is the Canadian address which I had entered, and the other one is the address which was provided by this company. So I will be selecting the address provided by this company. Once I select that, click next. So you would need a business bank account to do all your transaction in US. And here this company has a tie-up with Relay, which gives you no account fee or minimums, up to 20 individual checking account to help you control project budget and taxes. If you have an employee, issue up to 50 Visa debit card, keep your business moving. And then this is also FDIC insured. So this, while you select this option, if you want, this can only be done after you get your EIN. So once EIN is complete, that is when you get your EIN from IRS, after which you open your bank account. That's the step. So let's come down here. I'm selecting yes, I'm interested. If you don't want, you can choose ask me later, because once you have EIN, you would any which ways need the business bank account. So yes, I'm interested. Then here you get tax strategy and free consultation. So if you want a free consultation, you can choose yes. If you are not interested, you can choose no. And then click next. This is the business licenses and permit page. I know what licenses and permit requirements are, so I will skip this step. If not, you can go for these additional service for $99. I'm saying no thanks. I'll do it myself. And then come down, click next. This is the review order page. Here you check, recheck, cross check whatever entries you have made till the last. And once you have checked everything, click next. Here you will select the billing information. Either you do this with PayPal or credit card. And then once you fill all your detail, in this case the billing address, if you're using your credit card, you will be entering your home country address. Once that is done, you click I agree to the legal statement and cancellation policy, and then complete and pay. So far, by following my steps, you have covered point 1 to 9. Your company setup, you have your EIN, your banking is set up. And now when it comes to the accounting and record keeping, again, I'm sharing a link where you can go and check this software. It's intuitive and it's super user friendly, where you can keep your accounting and bookkeeping in the right way. So make sure you're using the links in the description, and thank you for watching.